I think we have the best season we've had, obviously, since the pandemic. If you look at the numbers right now that we are forecasting, is slightly under the numbers that we did in 2019 and 18. So it shows that the recovery is going on a right track. If we compare it to some of the other destinations, I think we are further ahead in terms of our occupancy in that standpoint. Mr. Gibbs, the last few months we've seen cruise ships come with passengers above 100, 105% occupancy. And in cruise ship language, the numbers are forecasted based on two persons in a cabin. So if you have 105, 110%, meaning that more people are traveling in these cabins on a ship. And looking at November, so this month onwards, we are looking at more than 50 ships in November, 90-something ships in December, and approximately the same going into January, February, March, April. So that is definitely on the right track. We're going to do about a bit more than 1 million passengers within the next 5.5 months. But for us, the concern still remains the off-season. I said earlier, I will get back to this note. During the pandemic, one of the cruise lines alone, the brands, one of the companies, corporations, actually sold 23 ships. There was another brand that sold 5 ships, and in total, about 35 ships were sold from the industry. Of the 35 ships, 20-something of those ships were actually scrapped, so no longer revenue cruises. Unfortunately for this part of the Caribbean, or the Caribbean in general, that stay on itineraries more than 4 days, these vessels that were sold were actually the vessels that used to be in the Caribbean during the off-season. So the vessels coming from Barbados, the small older vessels that was coming from Puerto Rico, etc. They were sold, right? Imagine one ship, used to come to St. Maarten every Saturday from Puerto Rico. 52 times a year times 3,000 passengers, 3,500 passengers. So that ship alone, was tens of thousands of passengers that just drop off of the radar in off season because of them being sold. So the industry is taking take a year or two to actually get new ships online. So thankfully, every year we're seeing a few ships coming online that we can get back up to standard. But the high season definitely looks great. I think if you look at calendar year 2023, we will do about 1.4 million passengers.